Hey, it's that time again. Cash stuff and time. First paycheck of October. I cannot believe it. This year is flying by so fast. Before we know it, it's going to be the holidays. Oh, my favorite time of year, but also, it means another year is ending. So let's get through it together, shall we? All right. Let's see what we have for rollover. Let's do our change first. How y'all doing? It is actually Wednesday night. What is it? October 4th. I'm actually filming this at night because I got paid early today, and you guys, I'm starting potty training tomorrow. Pray for me. So tomorrow is the kids' consignment sale in the morning. I think I'm gonna go with my mom. We may go out for lunch after, and then as soon as I get home, it's potty training time, baby. The diapers come off, and that is basically it. So yeah, like I said, wish me luck. Not a lot of coins. I didn't do a lot of spending, but I did do a lot of spending. I had some medical stuff. My son actually ended up with double ear infections last weekend, so I had to bring him into the doctor on Saturday for like an emergency, not like an emergency, but a last minute appointment, and that was $15, and then his medication was $20, so that was $35 right there. And I don't know, so I definitely am not gonna have as much rollover as I would like, but hey, it is what it is, right? I mean, things happen, life happens, and spending happens. So, yeah. All right, so I got on my sort quick, and let's see what we have here for rollover. All right, so in fun, let's see. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. 104. Nice. Considering I only put 140. By the way, you see my little floof balls here? I got those on clearance at Walmart for $1. And I was going to hang them up back here on my little wall grid thingy. But I thought, oh, they might look cute in a video. Now, they're probably going to be in the way. And they're probably going to get knocked off in this video. But we'll see. Let's see. So, okay, kids has $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. Let's see what dining has. 20, 30, 1, 2, and 3, 33 left in dining. And then in miscellaneous, we have 20. So, altogether, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2. 162. Not bad. Now, I could reimburse myself for the medical expenses, but, it's, what was it, $35? So I'm not worried about it. It came out of my spending. So this will be set aside for savings challenges, and then we're going to count the new money now and stuff the wallet. It's always the same, so, nothing fancy or exciting. But you guys, I have so many things in the works right now that I'm so excited about. I'm working on some new Etsy items. I just launched my brand new savings challenge book. As of right now, there are still some available. If you want to get on that, check out the Etsy shop. And I have other things in the works that are brand new to me that I'm very excited about. So yeah, I just feel like, things are really going my way right now. I'm trying to expand my horizons a little bit and kind of branch out and see how I do at those things. And of course, I will fill you all in when I have, some more specific details and things like that. But I'm just super excited. So, all right, so we're working with 280 here, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280, and that's the same amount I always stuff in my cash wallet. And then we have just 2 sinking funds we're gonna stuff, which of course I forgot to get the prop money out for. but it's just 20 bucks each. So I'm just gonna take 2 prop 20s and stick those in there as well. All right, so as usual, fun is gonna get 140. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40. As I said, tomorrow is the consignment sale. I'm so excited to have the money saved up for that. I'm hoping that I have some money left over. Kids gets 20 to, if I do have money left over, I will kind of reshuffle that back into some more savings challenges. So that would be awesome. Dining gets 80, 20, 40, 60, 80. And yeah, as far as plans for this weekend and next weekend, this weekend I don't plan on really going anywhere because again, potty training, gas stays in the bank, and miscellaneous gets 40. So the way that I trained my son was just naked from the waist down. So that's what I plan on doing with my daughter as well. I'm going to have the potty out and we're just going to kind of hang out in the room by the potty. I'm going to put her on the potty every once in a while and hopefully she gets the hang of it pretty quick. But when I potty train, I don't like to go anywhere and break the training, I guess, if you will, because I don't want to put a diaper on her. With my son, once I started potty training, that was it, no diapers. So I night trained at the same time, nap trained, everything. We didn't go anywhere where I would put a diaper on him or anything. I want her to know that diapers are gone. So even if we go somewhere, even if you go to sleep, whatever, no diapers. So it worked with my son. Hopefully it will work with her. So again, wish me luck. I will, of course, keep you all updated on how it goes. So, all right. Let's do our sinking funds. We only have 2 here. And let's start with subscriptions because that's the binder I grabbed. Subscriptions is going to get 20. And I want to see how much I actually need because let's add in this 20. Okay. And now we have 100, 150, 70, and 90. So we have 190 in here. Okay. And I know that I told y'all that, my Supernatural subscription was renewing. Supernatural is the fitness game that I use. But you guys, I got an email that the price is actually decreasing. So it was $179 for the year. It's going down to $99 for the year. Like, when does that ever happen? Never. So that is amazing. So I wrote down the prices here of all my subscriptions. I overestimated each of them by a little bit. Now, the first 3, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime, and Amazon Kids, I used last year's rates. So however much they took out of my account last year, I used that amount and added like an extra 5 or 10. So as long as these don't increase, these should be correct. And then for Supernatural, I, estimated 110. I don't know if there's like taxes or whatever. So I want to add these up really quick just to see exactly how much I need to see if between this and my Prime sinking fund, if, that's going to cover it all. So 100 plus 155 plus 60 plus 110. So we're looking at 425. Okay. And I have 190 in here. So I need 235. Let's just check it out really quick. Which binder is it in? So 235. No, which binder is it in, you guys? I don't even know. Oh, yeah, wow. Okay. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 220. So I will literally be $15 short, so that's fine. I can stuff my subscription sinking fund again next month with, 15 or 20 bucks, and then I'll be all good. So yay! Yay to having money saved up for things that you need, right? That's awesome. Okay, so that's subscriptions, that's done. And then the only other thing we're doing is Christmas because y'all know I don't have a ton of money to go around and I like to save money for challenges. And yeah, so we're gonna put 20 into Christmas and call it good. I started buying just a couple tiny things, like nothing major, off Temu, like just little stocking stuffer things, basically. We're gonna color in a 15 and a 5 here. And I can take from, you know, the Christmas money and reimburse myself, but I'm not going to. It's, you know, 30 bucks here, 30 bucks there, whatever. So I'm not even gonna worry about it. So yeah, 20. I wanted to make sure I colored in the right thing. Let me add 20 here on my tracker. And by the way, these trackers are a digital download available in my Etsy shop. If you like them, that's just, you know, a side note. One thing I want to say, and I am going to say this again in my Etsy launch video, which I don't have planned yet. I'm not, you know, I'm not ready to film a video with a launch, but I'm working on some things. But the link to my Etsy shop is down below in my description box. And if you plan on shopping through, like in my Etsy shop, please use that link rather than going to Etsy.com and looking for my store. If you use that link instead, it actually saves me a little bit on the Etsy fees. It's a new thing that they're doing. So yeah, if you're planning on shopping in my store and purchasing anything, I would really, really appreciate it if you use that link to get to my store instead of just going to Etsy.com and searching for my store. So thank you so much. I'm also going to start putting my Rakuten referral code or link or whatever it is in my description. That's, I think they have a promotion like from now until, I could be wrong about this, but I think it goes through the end of the year, where if I refer someone, you get $30 free and I get $30 free, like literal $30 of money. So if you're not familiar with Rakuten, it is it's like a thing that you download, like a toolbar, or you might not even have to download it. But basically, when you're shopping online, as long as you go through Rakuten and Rakuten has a percentage back, you literally get cash back just for shopping online. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It's just cash back. So it's not every store has it. Like, I don't think they have Amazon or whatever, but they have Temu. And if you go to Rakuten's website, it'll show you the percentage, you know, for the store. Like, you could search by the store name and all of that. You just click shop or whatever the link is. It'll take you to that brand's website that you're planning on shopping on. You submit your order and then you get cash back. So it's literal free money. And as I said, if you use my referral link, you will literally get $30 free. I think you probably have to make a purchase first, like on any site or whatever, but still. And then you then have a referral link to refer others. So free money. Okay, so I mean, just like Fetch is, you know, free gift cards, Rakuten is free literal cash. They either send you a paper check or deposit into PayPal. So, I mean, you can't go wrong. Okay, so Christmas, 500, 700, 750, 70, 90, 800, 810, 15, 20, 5, 30, 5, 40, 840. 840. We're getting close on the goal, and I did say I needed to stuff, I think, was it $40 or $60 a month to meet my goal? And I only did 20. So I may try to put something in this in my savings challenges as well. I don't know. We'll see. But real quick, okay, so really quick, I actually want to open some Happy Mail. It's just one piece, and I've been holding it for a few days just so I could open it on camera. It's an order from my girl Janelle over at Janelle Ray Budgets. If y'all haven't checked her out, you need to, but I'm sure you have. Also, she just opened a print-on-demand shop where you can order. She has a lot of like clothing items. And I ordered a coffee mug, and I'm super excited. So, of course, when that gets here, I will, you know, open it on camera. I believe it already shipped, so yes. Okay, so this is an order I placed. She had a Black Friday in September. Was it September or August sale? I don't know. Anyway, I ordered a couple things for my Christmas binder. I've said I was done with it, but I ordered a couple more things. And then I may have placed a second order at her shop as well. Shh. So that second order is coming, or will be coming anyway. All right, so let me take out my order slip thingy. All right. So we have her little thank you for your order with the little scratchy. I'm going to start a collection of these. It says, you made our day. We hope you have a lovely day and see you again soon. These I think are new. Very nice. There's all her information. You all know her. This is a freebie, October. Each letter is, you know, whatever. Each object is whatever you want to set. That's super cute. All right, and then here's what I ordered. So I saw this on her channel. She was doing this one. I think it's so cute. It's laminated. It is $80 plus, so I'm guessing there must be some skipper doubles under here or something. And these scratchers are teeny tiny. They're super cute. It is A5 size. And yeah, I just think it's really cute. So I got this. And then speaking of cute, I mean, scratching your way to sushi. How freaking adorable is that? Again, with the tiny little scratchers. Again, 85 plus. And I don't even like sushi, you guys, but this is so cute. And this is double-sided. I like the way you roll. So, you know, roll a die, and fill in the amount, or you could just set an amount, whatever. So, again, A5 size, very cute. No idea when I'm going to be able to do them, but I ordered them. And then this is actually what I ordered for my my Christmas binder. So just the set of 3 Grinch cutouts. How cute. So we have the Grinch here. We have, forget his name, but he has tiny little scratchers on him. And then Cindy Lou Who with the big scratchers. And there's not that many, so I'm hoping these amounts aren't that big. But I guess we'll see. No idea what these add up to or what the amounts are or anything. So yeah. But these are going to be fun to add to my Christmas binder. So that's it for the Happy Mail. As I said, super quick, you know, just one piece of mail, but I wanted to open it because I've been waiting. So that is all I have for you. I am so beyond grateful for you all. Yeah, just thank you for being here, for subscribing, watching the videos, for watching my ads to help me get a little bit of a paycheck. I truly appreciate you. I appreciate all of my members who have joined my channel membership, my Etsy supporters. Like, you guys, I just love you all. I'm grateful for you all. I'm blown away by all of your support, and you know, there's no one I'd rather be taking this journey with. So that's all I have. I'll see you in the Savings Challenge video. Bye!